We're going to talk about sales and percent discounts today in this video. This is a really practical skill. I know most of you won't calculate sale prices, you'll just look at whatever the tag says or the sign in the store, but you could after we do this video. So to solve all of these types of problems, I was always taught to set up a proportion, and I use the little rhyme. It's not really a rhyme, but I use is over of equals percent over 100. That was like drilled into me whenever I learned this. So that just means like, what number is the percent of the other number? Maybe we should do an example. Latoya bought a table on sale for $219. This price was 73% of the original price. What was the original price? Okay, let's sub into our fractions here. So 219 is the sale price, and the price is 73% of the original. So in other words, we're saying 219 is 73% of the original price. So 219 is 73% of the original price, which I don't know what the original price is. Let's figure out what the original price is. Okay, whenever you have proportions, you cross multiply. You take the top of one fraction times the bottom of the other equal to the top of the other fraction times the bottom of your first one. And now I want to solve for whatever my question mark is, or x. I guess you could have used an x there. So I need to divide my 73 over to the other side. Okay, that's it. Type that into your calculator to figure out what your answer is. Or you can, I don't think you can multiply that out in your head. 300. So 219 is 73% of 300. Make sure you include your dollar sign here because that is your units for a word problem. Let's do a second example. Hong bought a sofa on sale for $306. This price was 15% less than the original price. What was the original price? Okay, so we need to take one more step before we can use our is over of equals percent over 100, because they told us the price is 15% less than the original. So what percentage is it actually? You need to say it's 15% less than the original, so that means that it is 85% of the original cost. So make sure you pay attention to what kind of percentage they give you. Do they straight up tell you the percentage that it was, or how much did they take off? If they tell you how much they took off, you have to do this extra subtract from 100 to figure out what the percentage is. Okay, so 306 is 85% of what was the original price. Let's use our proportion here. So 306 is 85% of what? We're going to do just like we did before, cross multiply and solve. Type it into your calculator and you will get the original price is $360. Okay, I know this isn't what they asked, or this isn't what you're going to see on homework, but it's along the same lines, and I think it's important for us to see that it's not always going to be this exact setup. So let's do one more example, because this is more of what you're going to see in real life. Today only, a sofa is being sold at a 72% discount. If the original price is $420, what is the sale price? So this is what you're going to see in real life. You're going to see the 30% off, 20% off, or this is 80% now. And they're going to give you the original, but you have to figure out the new price. So that's what we're going to do now. So they straight up tell you the discount. They don't say, what is that, 28% off. They say this is a straight up 72% discount. And they give you the original price. So what is 72% of 420? I don't know. Let's figure it out. The same idea, our setup's just a little different because our question was written a little differently. So what is 72% of 420? Multiply, cross multiply. And don't forget units because this is a word problem and we're all dealing with price.